eat a cicada, you can cook them, you see. I like cicadas, I hope they like me. I like cicadas.
Got some cicadas here. There's one nymph and a lot of them have come out of their shells, and I am going to marinate them in some Worcestershire sauce overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'm going to cook them up. Hope it works out well. Bon appetit. Worcestershire sauce, marinate, and we'll cover it up and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Cooking cicadas today. I know, that's gross. But what I've got is a little bit of batter with an egg, some flour, and some egg. We'll kind of cook that, stir that up. Nothing big, just regular batter. Got pots and pans that I got from the resale store because my wife said, "You're not cooking cicadas in our dishes." So I'm not cooking cicadas in our dishes. Yesterday I went to Glen Ellen and I found some cicadas. I didn't find all of them in the shells. As a matter of fact, most of them had already come out. This is, there's a cicada in the shell.
Hold it.
What I've got here is a whole bunch of them that I'm going to be using for cooking.
Okay.
That camera operator talking, that's my wife Cassie. You can't see her, she's the one that doesn't want me to be doing this. We're going to mix them up in the batter there, and then I'll kind of pull them out and saute them. My recipe called for stuff like butter and stuff. I'm going to cook them in some olive oil in the pan here. And yes, I really am going to eat some of these. I know that's disgusting, right? But hey, I hear that they're really high in protein. Let's find that one in the shell. Oh boy, you can hear that. That's some good cicada cooking. Now I've heard that they taste like almonds or potatoes. I have not ever tasted a cicada at all. There's the one in the shell. I'll get a lid for that. It kind of smells like Worcestershire sauce. Some people said they're kind of like shrimp. I don't expect them to be a lot like shrimp. I expect them not to taste too good. But this is an adventure that you only get to do every 17 years, so why not? Gently sauteed. If you had smell-o-vision, you would smell that. This smells like
Fire.
yeah. Apparently I have set off the fire alarm. I'll go take care of that real quick. This is the one that one that you can see right on the edge there. That is our... There goes the fire alarm again. That's the one that I'm going to really eat. Okay, a little more fire. And this is a sauteed, battered, deep-fried cicada. You ready for this? Not bad. You should try it yourself.
By cicadas for 17 years. We'll miss you cicadas, we all hold you dear. Magic cicadas, I hope you'll agree that I like cicadas, I